Neuroscience is basically the scientific study of the brain, so it brings in biology, chemistry, experimental and clinical psychology, all sorts of areas input into trying to understand how the brain works, because the brain is ultimately an incredibly complex organ. Every single brain is different. What's incredible, of course, is with that statement, most brains look like that. And you can see the bumps over the surface of it. Each bump has got its own name, and each bump is involved in a particular function, often in conjunction with other bumps as well. You can see here the inside of the temporal lobe, so you can see its memory system there, basically. But I'm going to put the scalpel in, and around the midbrain, and then we're going to pull forward through the frontal lobe. Are you ready for this? It's going to come at you. But this is surprising. By the age of 5, a human brain is about 90% the size of an adult brain. So size-wise, a lot of the work is done quite early on in our development. But it's just that our brain is not finished until the age of probably at least 25.